Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks. It's 2026, woo, 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 which is already shaping up to be an extraordinary year. Despite that, I'm still pretending it's Christmas. It is actually 12th night, so just about get away with doing, well, it's not actually Christmassy, but it's wintry, it's a winter warmer, it's chicken casserole. Oh yeah. This is a very straightforward recipe. What you need is some chicken thighs, bone-in, skin on. I've got 5, that's about a kilo. Some rashers of smoked streaky bacon, some button mushrooms. You'll need to cut some of these maybe in half just to get them all the same size. If there's any muck on them, just flick it off like that. Also a bit of double cream, heavy cream, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried sage, a teaspoon of dried thyme, an onion, half litre of chicken stock made from a cube, and optionally a cup of dry white wine. If you're not using wine, add more stock. Salt and pepper, and yeah, that's it. Let's cut things up and then cook things. Okay, do the onion. Top and tail, cut in half, peel. Never works when you're doing a video. A magic knife it. Here we go. I'm gonna oh, my cold has really come back. Oh cracky, thought I was better. And cut the bacon into little bits. Okay, we want a bit of oil on the chicken thighs, sea salt, coarse sea salt, and black pepper. Heat some oil in a heavy bottom pan and gently cook the onions in it. After about 5 minutes they should be softened but not browned. Add the bacon and cook that for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll add the mushrooms and let those cook through as well. Then move that pan onto a low burner and heat some oil in another pan and add the chicken pieces. You want this oil to get quite hot because we want a good hard sear on the skin side of the chicken so it becomes nice and brown and crispy. So now put the original pan back on the main burner and add in the stock, the wine and the herbs. After 10 minutes that should become a nice tasty sauce, so turn down the heat, add the chicken pieces skin side up and let that simmer gently for about half an hour. Now add the cream, stir it in and let it warm through. Don't let it boil as it may curdle. Give it a taste and adjust seasoning if needed. And there's your casserole, done. Okay, here we are. A kind of creamy soup with a big lump of chicken in it. Very tender big lump of chicken. So I'm sorry about my voice. Well, I'm not really, but it seems that it sounds like the cold that I had a week ago that I thought I'd got over is it's back. Oh. Oh, but yeah. Definite winter warmer, love that. Absolutely delicious. You might want to put more things in it like peas and carrots, but you don't have to. I didn't. And it's gorgeous. Oh, glass of really cheap, dodgy wine. This is better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy New Year, and see you next time. Thank you.